Hi, welcome to Sahala Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very easy and simple way of making rice pudding or sheer Brinj. It is very easy to follow and very delicious. If you're interested, please continue to watch and I will be back and show you how to make this delicious and easy recipe. Thank you for watching. You need 2 cups rice, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 2 cups milk, a teaspoon cardamom, 2 tablespoons rose water, half a cup almonds. Add the rice to the boiling water and boil for a good 15 to 20 minutes or until it is softened. When your rice is very soft, just like that, it is time to add milk and heavy cream. Keep stirring for another 5 to 7 minutes. Add sugar. I'm using organic, that's why the color is different. You can use any sugar that you like. Add cardamom and stir very well so there's no lumps in your rice. Add sliced almonds and give it a good mix. Last, add rose water. Close lid and let it simmer on low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. When your rice looks like this, it is ready. So you don't want it too runny or too thick. I'm going to put cinnamon on a couple of these and leave the other couple without it, just because my kids don't like cinnamon. So you can skip this step if you don't like cinnamon, and it is completely optional. Hi, welcome back. Here's our brinj or rice pudding. Looks really good. So I'm going to try the one with the cinnamon because that's my favorite. Let me have a spoon. This looks really rich and creamy. Just fabulous. It tastes really rich, really creamy, very delicious with the almonds and cinnamon, rose water flavor. It's absolutely delicious. Please try this recipe, and as always, I'm asking to leave comments down below and let me know about how you make my recipes. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and leave the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes, upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.